Thanks to Google Opinion Rewards, I've been able to buy many apps and games. In this video, I'll show you how to use it and some tips to get more surveys. The app sends surveys, and completing them earns you money to use in the Google Play Store. First, set up the app by creating your profile. Click Get Started, choose your Google account, and allow notifications. If a pop-up appears, click Continue. This enables location history, which is required for most surveys. Enable Timeline, hit Continue, and turn on Personalized Surveys. Select the top option for your location. Now, go to Settings and allow the app to use your location in the background. Then, enable Location History. You'll see a demo survey at the top, tap it, and answer the questions. Once done, the last step is to add a payment account. Click the option to connect your Google Play account, then set your location. Now, the setup is complete. When a survey is available, you'll get a notification. Since surveys expire, complete them as soon as possible. Tap on a survey to open it, where you'll see the type of survey and the answers it needs. Some questions allow multiple answers, while others require only one. It may ask if you visited a certain place. Select the location, enter the date, and answer activity-related questions. Complete all questions to earn your reward. If no surveys are available, you can still earn using the receipt system. Suppose I just visited KFC and have the receipt. I'll tap Upload, then choose to take a photo or select one from my gallery. The app will analyze the image and extract data. Once processed, scroll down to check your reward. If you don't have a receipt, tap the three dots and select the relevant option. You may still earn something. You can track your survey history and total earnings in the app. Under Survey Eligibility, ensure all required settings are enabled to maximize your surveys. Some settings are linked to your Google account, which you can manage in My Activity, where all completed surveys are listed. The Settings menu also includes a dark theme, Google account history, and more. To spend your earnings, ensure you're logged into the same Google account on the Play Store. You can use the balance to buy apps, games, or one-time in-app purchases, but not for subscriptions. Suppose I want to buy an app. I'll tap the Purchase button and confirm that Google Play Balance is selected. If my balance is insufficient, the Play Store will use all available funds and charge the remaining amount to my credit card. Tap Tap Pay, and the purchase is complete. The balance updates accordingly. To increase survey opportunities, always keep your location on, as most surveys are location-based. Carry your phone when visiting new places. Another trick is using a VPN to connect to a server in your city. If you already have a VPN, this can help you get more surveys, as the app believes you've been in that area. However, buying a VPN just for this isn't worth it. Though not the best way, it can slightly increase survey availability. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.